The main motto of this app is to ask doubt, solve doubt. During this time of pandemic, when students are not able to go to their schools and coachings, they are not able to meet their fellow classmates. Earlier, they used to solve each other's basic doubts in their free lectures or after their classes. Using this app, the students can help each other in solving their academic doubts sitting at their homes. From here, the user logs in, gets redirected to choose their account. This redirects the student to the dashboard. Here is the student's profile. Here is the student's posted questions and the answers posted by students and the articles posted by students. Here lies the bookmarks saved by the student. From here, the student can post a question. It gets posted to the public Q&A. Now everyone can see that question posted by the student. Student can read questions of another students, see the answers posted by another people, and also can post some answers. Here student can delete his or her answer and bookmark some other person's answer. The bookmark will get saved to the student's profile. Same way the student can post an article from here and see the public articles posted by different students. From here, the student can also set their category by clicking on the profile settings. Now student can delete their answers posted on another student's question from here also. Or student can edit their answers. Now student can log out from the button given here.